Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad. As hopefully you all will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very nice radical equation which is given as this, and we have to find the value of x. That is, we have to find all the roots of the x. This equation is actually a cubic equation, and you will see when we solve this by eliminating the radicals of the left hand side, it will become a cubic equation. And from this cubic equation, we will find the three roots of the given equation. So it is going to be very interesting. That's why stay with us till end. Let's start the solution. To solve this, first we will eliminate this first square root by taking square on both sides. That is by taking square on both sides. We will get x times square root of x whole square root is equal to 3 times square root of 3 and whole square. Now this square will cancel out with this square root and we will get x times square root of x on the left hand side, and it is equal to 3 raised to power 2 is 9, and this square will cancel out with this square root and we will get 3 here. So now simplifying this, we will get x times square root of x is equal to 27. Now it is time to eliminate the second square root on the left hand side. For this, we will take square on both sides again, and we will get x times square root of x whole square is equal to 27 square. Now this will become x square times this square will cancel out with this square root and we will get x here is equal to this 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3, which is equal to 27 and whole raised to power 2. Now here we will use two basic mathematical formulas, which is given as if we have a raised to power m whole raised to power n, then we can shift the power as a raised to power n whole raised to power m. So we will use this formula here to write this right hand side as 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3, and another basic mathematical formula a raised to power m times a raised to power m n, that is the bases are same and two terms are multiplying, then we can write it with a single base by adding the powers m plus n. So according to this formula we can write this left hand term as x raised to power 2 plus 1, which will become 3. Now it is equal to x cube is equal to 3 raised to power 2 is 9 whole raised to power 3. Now from this we can find the one root of the given equation, that is x is equal to 9, by comparing left hand and right hand side. But actually we have to find the all three roots of this equation. For this purpose we will use cubic formula here to find the other two roots. For this purpose we can write this as x cube, taking this 9 as part 3 towards the left hand side, we will get 9 cube is equal to 0. Now it is a form of basic mathematical formula which is given as a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So using this formula we can write the left hand side of this equation as here a is x and b is 9. So we will get x minus 9 times x square plus 9 square plus x times 9 is equal to 0. Now we can write it after simplification as x square plus 9x plus this 9 square will become 81 is equal to 0. Now two terms are multiplying and answer is 0. It means that either of these two terms will be equal to 0. So we can write it as x minus 9 is equal to 0, or x square plus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0. From this equation, we will find the first root of this given problem very easily, which is x is equal to 9. This is the first root of this equation, and this root we can also conclude simply from this equation, but as we say earlier, we have to find the all three roots. That's why we use this formula here. Now for the other two roots we will solve this equation, and it is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation can be solved by using quadratic formula. So we will use quadratic formula here. For this, first we will write a is equal to 1, that is coefficient of x square. B is equal to 9, that is the coefficient of x, and C is equal to 81, that is coefficient constant. Now using quadratic formula, we will get x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now putting the values of a, b and c in this formula, we will get x is equal to minus 9, that is b is equal to 9, plus minus square root of b square, that is 9 square, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 81, over 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. Now simplifying this, we will get minus 9 plus minus inside the square root. 9 square is equal to 81, minus 81 times 1 is 81, times 4. We write it as, to solve it easily. Now we can take 81 common from inside the square root, and we will get minus 9 plus minus taking 81 common. Here remains 1 minus 4 square root over 2. Now the square root of 81 is 9, and it comes out of the square root, and we will get minus 9 plus minus 9. Square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3 over 2. Now we can write it this minus 3 square root as square root of 3 times square root of minus 1. Here minus 1 is a complex identity, and it is equal to iota. So we can write it as square root of 3 iota, that is iota is equal to square root of minus 1. So this minus 3 square root is equal to square root of 3 iota, and we will get minus 9 plus minus 9 square root of 3 iota over 2. So these are the other two roots of this given equation, and all the three roots of the given equation are as. So these are the three roots of this given problem, and from these we can see that one root is real, that is x is equal to 9, and the other two roots are complex in nature. So the final solution of this given problem is this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.